we're flying to Taipei, Taiwan, and it will take 1 hour and 45 minutes. Now, we're waiting for the plane to board, and just an update. Yung immigration officer pala guys, grabe, sobrang bongga. Walang tinanong. Like, binigay ko lang yung passport namin, and then yung boarding pass. Walang tinanong kung kailan babalik, kung kailan kung saan pupuntahan, whatsoever itinerary, and all. Wala talagang tinanong. So, grabe, good job. And then, yung Cebu Pacific na counter, sobrang good job din. Kasi inassign kami sa seat 22. Tapos, nag-request ako na kung pwede bang medyo sa unahan. So, inassign na kami sa number 6. Wow, this is so cool. And guys, see you there later. We'll be boarding now. Bye.
Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Dalian International Airport in Taipei, Taiwan. The local time now is 46 minutes past the hour of 12 in the morning, and there is no time difference between Manila, Philippines and Taipei, Taiwan.
Guys, nandito na kami sa Taiwan at doon kami bumaba. Nag-lucky land kami guys, hindi kami nanalo. And then pagbaba nyo sa isang escalator na mahaba, yan 7-Eleven, bumili kami ng Easy Card. And unfortunately, it's sold out. And then from 7-Eleven, pumunta kayo dyan guys. Makikita nyo yung bus station. Sa counter number 7 kami bumili ng ticket papuntang Taipei main station. And then from counter 7, dito kami guys sa number 5. Ayan o. Papuntang number 1819 yung Kukuang. Hindi ko alam kung, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but yes, number 5 and then 1819. Tapos guys, pagbaba nyo guys, kailangan nyo fill upan yung Taiwan arrival slip. And then after noon, yun na yun. So yan guys, kung mag-aantay kayo ng bus guys, kung akala nyo walang bus, yes, there's an overnight bus. Hindi ko sure kung tama ba yung term ko. Pero yes, alauna na ngayon at makakasay kami ng bus. Yung arrival time ng bus ay 1:47 and it's currently, I think it's 1:41. 5 minutes na lang guys. Yan guys, magkano yung ticket na?
200 something.
Yeah, 200 NTD. Siguro nasa 400 pesos yun. Yun guys, later na lang, we'll update you. Then guys, nag-withdraw pala kami ng money. Kinompare namin yung BPI card and yung GCash card. So nag-withdraw kami ng 7,000 NTD. That's, I don't know kung magkano yung exact amount sa peso, pero ilalagay na lang namin. Pero guys, napatunayan talaga namin na ang mahal talaga ng kaltas or ang laki ng kaltas ni BPI compared to GCash card. So if I were you guys, if you're traveling abroad or wherever you go, kung meron kayong GCash card or GoTime, mas mura talaga yung GCash. Kasi parang nasa almost 500 pesos yung nakaltas ng BPI compared to GCash card. So yan guys, go get your GCash card na. Bye! Guys, dumating ang aming bus na 1819 and oras ay saktong-sakto. Hindi ko alam kung nag-focus to. Yeah, it's 1:47. Yung kinukuha na yung ticket namin. Thank you! O, tatlo pala pang ticket. Yan guys, binibigyan kami ng ticket sa bagahe namin. Hindi ko alam kung ano. There's a language barrier, but it's totally fine. We're used to it. Wow, angas. Yan lang guys, babalitaan namin kayo ngayon para mamaya kung paano kami makakababa nang hindi namin alam. Yeah, this is a baggage tag. Later, bye-bye. Back to our channel. So we're currently here in Taiwan or Taipei, Taiwan, at nasa Red Cabin Inn kami guys. Dito malapit na siya sa nasa center siya ng Sibinding. So guys, ikukwento ko sa inyo ang nangyari sa amin. Pagbaba namin ng Taipei main station guys, mga 6 minutes yung taxi travel namin. So nag-taxi kami, ang binayaran namin ay 260 pesos. So, nandito na kami sa aming hotel, Red Cabin Inn, and I'm going to show you tomorrow or later our room tour video. Later, bye-bye!